Hello everyone, welcome back to the Celestial Cryptoverse. Today is June 30, 2022, last day of June, last day of the first half of the year. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of today's top headlines. Is North Korean attackers behind the Harmony hack? FTX rumored to buy BlockFi for $25 million. Ethereum network upgraded. Glacier deployed. FTX passes on purchasing Celsius. But before we get into the market overview and the headlines, if you guys can hit that like, share, and subscribe button, that would help us out on creating daily news content for you guys. Also comment below. I would like to say hi to you guys. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at some of today's top headlines. But first, let's look at the market overview. So US stocks fell today with the major averages logging steep decline for the month of June, as concerns over heightened inflation and the prospects of a recession weighted heavily on risk assets. So looking at the Dow Jones, almost lost 1%. It's down 0.82%, lost 253 points, down closing 30,775 points for the month of June. S&P lost 33 points today, or 0.88%, closing at 3,785 points for the month of June. And the tech-heavy NASDAQ is down 1.33%, losing 149 points, closing at 11,028 points for the month of June. So stocks had some losses today due to the fear of a recession and heightened inflation. Crypto not doing so well either. If you look, the market capitalization is at 893 billion, so we're down 5% from the past 24 hours. Looking at Bitcoin continued its bearish action the past 24 hours, with the leading cryptocurrency dropping to a low of 18,993. Look at this drop, guys. Wow. And it kind of rebounded back a little bit. Here's the 18. This is trading around 19,000 now, 19,061, about 5.5% from the past 24 hours. Ethereum followed the same pattern. It just took a major drop. It almost dropped right below $1,000, but it's now hovering around $1,030. So definitely a lot of fear out there. If you look at the fear and greed index on the lower left-hand corner of your screen, we are at 11. Still extreme fear in the market. So just hold on, guys. I know it's looking pretty bad, but all we can do is just hold on to our bags and just wait for the next bull run. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first piece of news for the day. So, is North Korean attacker behind the $100 million Harmony hack? Well, it could be. The Lazarus Group, which is a notorious North Korean affiliated cyber criminal organization, is said to be behind the Harmony hack, according to a report by blockchain analytics firm Uppbeat. This is the same group behind the $622 million hack of a cross-chain bridge used by the play-to-earn game Axie Infinity, which got their bridge back up and running a couple of days ago. Elliptic reports notes that the similarity between Harmony and the Axie Infinity hack between both cross-chain bridge attacks is one indication of Lazarus' likely involvement. Also, how the hackers perpetrated the attack via social engineering also alludes to previous Lazarus hacks. The Harmony attack additionally echoes the Axie Infinity hack in that stolen funds have been laundered in a pattern implying automated transfers. The funds have thus far been laundered through mixing services Tornado Cash, which allowed users to pull a significant amount of cryptocurrency and swap them for different coins, a process that obfuscates transaction trails and is commonly used to launder stolen token. Elliptic was able to demix the trails of the Harmony hackers' Tornado Cash transactions in this case and has traced the stolen funds to a number of new Ethereum wallets. While exchanges and businesses could potentially use the information to ensure they don't accept any of the stolen funds, the information provided no means of Harmony to recover them. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is the work of the Lazarus group? Comment below. Next piece of news. FTX is rumors are swirling that crypto exchange FTX is close to signing a deal to purchase struggling crypto lender BlockFi for $25 million, according to an unnamed source that was first reported to CNBC. Supposedly, the deal is expected to be signed by the end of the week, but again, this is all rumored. BlockFi CEO Zach Prince tweeted this afternoon that he can confirm 100% that BlockFi is not sold for $25 million and encourage everyone to trust only details straight from BlockFi. So, but there is rumors that they are in the talks, and FTX even have previously extended a $250 million line of credit to BlockFi earlier in the month. What do you guys think? Do you think FTX is in talks to acquire BlockFi? Comment below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Alright, so the next piece of news. So we have the Ethereum network has rolled out a new major network upgrade named Glacier, which pushes the difficulty bomb back another 100 days or about 700,000 blocks. The Glacier upgrade in the network's is the network's hard fork, which means it is creating new rules to improve the system and requires the node operators and miners to download the latest version of their Ethereum clients. The difficulty bomb, which has been part of the Ethereum since day one, is a piece of code responsible for exponentially increasing the difficulty of mining Ethereum, the network's native cryptocurrency, and thus disincentivizing miners to continue their operation as the network transitions from its current proof-of-work algorithm to proof-of-stake consensus model. As implementation of Merge has already gone live on Ethereum's Roughing testnet at the beginning of June, Mr. Buterin and other developers previously said that if everything goes to plan, the transition could happen as early as August this year. However, pushing back the difficulty bomb for another 100 days makes it unlikely that the schedule will be met, with the updated EIP 5133 proposal now pointing to mid-December as a new timeframe for the implementation of the mechanism. So looks like August is not looking like a good date, possibly September now with the 100-day push, but since this rollout early this morning, I did notice that I mined Ethereum, and I did notice that I saw a little bit uptick of rewards now since the block time is a lot shorter with the difficulty bomb being pushed back. So that's good for proof of work miners because they're getting more rewards now daily. But we'll see. We'll see if they'll get the proof of stake model up and running by September, but many still feel that we won't probably see it till 2023. Some even said 2024. What do you guys think? Do you guys think the proof of stake Ethereum 2.0 will launch this year? Comment below. Okay guys, last piece of news. FTX has been in the news a lot. FTX. I guess that's a good thing for them. But it looks like FTX passed on a deal to purchase the battered crypto lender Celsius after examining the poor state of its financials, according to reports from the block. They were in negotiation with each other, but FTX walked away from the table on the account of a $2 billion hole in the lender's balance sheet, which seems kind of shady. I mean, if I was FTX, I would walk away from that too. $2 billion hole is nothing to overlook. So Sam Bankman-Fried, who's the CEO of FTX, also found that Celsius was really hard to deal with, according to sources. Celsius has paused withdrawals to their customers since June 13 and is rumored to be insolvent. As of today, customers cannot withdraw their funds from their account, and that triggered many legal agencies to look into Celsius business model. And yeah, it's causing a lot of fear in the market because of that, and customers want to get their money out. I mean, how would you feel if your money was stuck in the bank account and they were not going to give it to you? So I'm pretty sure there's going to be more lawsuits against Celsius, and there's definitely going to be more regulatory oversight on regulatory eyeballs looking at Celsius to see how their business practices were, and that $2 billion hole in the lender's balance sheet is definitely something to be worried about. So again, I hope for the best for all Celsius customers. I hope you guys can get your money out, but I don't know, every day is just looking worse and worse for Celsius. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's top headlines. Like always, thank you for watching. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Comment below. I would like to hear from you guys on how we could do better, or on any of these key story pieces, or anything crypto. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We will see you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow's the first day of July. So it's been a rough June, but let's see what July will bring. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.